Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to apply for this fully funded scholarship in Russia. So you can just go through the website and you read more about the scholarship. I'll just show you the application process. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel so that whenever I post opportunities like this, you'll be notified to apply in time. In my next video, I will be talking about a fully funded scholarship in Italy. So subscribe to the channel so that when I post the video, you'll be notified to apply. So this is how you apply for the scholarship. If you already have an account, you click on login and then you enter your credential, and then you'll be able to continue with the application. But since most of you are new and I'm sure you don't have any accounts here, you click on register. Once you click on register, it will take you to this other page where you will have to enter your basic information. So you start by entering your last name, your first name. So you make sure you verify the names on your official documents to make sure that they are in order. So you enter your last name, your first name, country. This is country of nationality, not where you reside. So you enter your country and then you enter your email. Remember to use an active email that you can receive emails through the email ID. So you enter the email ID here and then you go down to after you enter your email ID, you have to create a password. So you enter a password here. Make sure you create a password that you can easily remember, because if you are not able to remember your password, you may be logged out of your account. So you create a password and then you enter the password here to confirm that the password matches. After doing that, you go down to, you enter this code. You make sure to verify the code, you click on listen to code and the code will be read out loud. So you click on that and then you enter the code as it is on your screen. Make sure you check well and you enter the right code. So the code on my screen is 432860. So you enter the code correctly and then you click on I agree to the processing of my personal data. This is it. You click on it. You click on I agree to the use of cookies. So you also confirm. And after that, you go through again to check to make sure that all the information you've entered is correct. So after you check, you verify, you click on register. You click on register and then a registration link will be sent to, a confirmation link will be sent to your email. That's the email ID you entered when you were creating the account. So you go to your email and you check the confirmation link to verify your account. If you don't see it in your primary email, you go to junk mail. It will probably be there. So after clicking on that link, it will take you back to the website, this same website, where you have to now enter your login details. So this time you just have to log in instead of registering. So this is how you do it. Once you click on that link, it will take you back to this page and then you have to log in. So you simply click on login. The link will automatically take you where you just have to log in. After logging in, it will take you to this page where you will have to create the application properly. So here you click on create a new application. So this is it. An application will be created. Okay, so the application form has been opened and then you have to fill in the information. So here you have to create a profile picture here. That's a passport size photograph. You upload it here and then you scroll down. you enter your surname as it is on your passport. So make sure all these names are in order, and you cannot proceed without entering this information. So you have to enter your surname in Latin letters. So you write your surname as it is on your passport, and then for this one, which is surname transliterated into Russian with Cyrillic letters. So you have to skip this one. It's not compulsory, but if you have that, you can enter. So you can skip that one, and then after the names, you go to place of birth. You have to enter your place of birth here. You enter your place of birth, and then you also enter your date of birth. Make sure you check all this information on your passport or any other official document so that they should be the same. And then you enter your sex. So you have to choose here. And then family status. All this, you see the ones with the red asterisk, those that information is very important, and you cannot fill the application without entering the information. So after that, you go down to citizenship, place of permanent residence. So you enter your nationality here again, and then you scroll down. They ask if you require a visa or not. If you're from a country that requires a visa to enter Russia, you have to click here, visa required. So once you click on visa required, they will ask you from the country that will be issuing the visa. So you enter your home country or where you are located at that time, or where you think you can apply for a Russian visa. But this is not even compulsory. You can still skip this for now. And then you go to candidate's passport details. So you have to enter your details as it is on your passport. You have enter passport number, date of issue, expiry date. So you enter that here. And then you go to residential address. You enter this information, country, postcode. If you don't use postcode in your country, like in Cameroon, you just enter 5 zeros and then you'll be able to proceed. Enter 5 zeros and then you can proceed with the application. And then you enter the region, or state, city. All this information is compulsory. So street, building, and apartment, you also enter this too. Okay, then you move to the next level, which is educational information. So you enter the highest level of education you have. If you are still to graduate, you can enter undergraduate degree. If you've graduated, that's if you have a bachelor's degree, you still enter on the undergraduate degree. So you just have to scroll down. Okay, it's down here. The last option is undergraduate degree. So if you have a bachelor's degree, you click on undergraduate degree. That's when you want to apply for a master's degree. So you click on undergraduate degree. That's your highest qualification. And then if you're applying for a PhD, you enter your master's degree information. And then after clicking on that, they'll ask you to enter the name of the educational establishment you graduated from or you are to graduate from. And then the country, the city, the address of that university, the year of graduation. If you are still to graduate, you enter the year you'll be graduating. And if you've graduated, you enter the year. Then you also have candidates' contact information. So you enter your information here, the email address, mobile number. You have to enter your mobile number. And then contact information of representatives. So you enter the information of anyone that they can contact in case of emergency or anything. So you enter the relationship between you and the person. You enter that here. You choose that from here. And then you enter the surname of the person, the name, Then next step, you have to enter the mobile number of the person and the email address. All this information is compulsory, so you have to enter this information. And then after completing that, you go to citizenship. That's citizenship of the person, a place of permanent residence of the person. And then the date of birth, you enter this. They're not even going to check this, so you just enter. You have to be creative here. Then after that, you click on save. Either you click on save or you just click on next and it will take you to the next page. And if there was any error, if you omitted anything, you will not be able to proceed to the next stage. So you'll go back and you verify to see that everything is okay before you can be able to go to the next stage of the application process. So after moving to the next stage, the next thing will be to preferred achievements, preferences and achievements. Okay, so this is it up here. The different sections are up here, so you can just click on the different sections up here. So here you have to enter your preferences and achievements. You just click on edit and then you enter the information as required. Remember, if you are applying for this Russian scholarship, it is compulsory, especially those from Cameroon, that you have to take the Russian language. You have to learn the Russian language. So you have to choose that you will be taking the language for 1 year before starting your course. Even if your course is taught in English, you still have to take this preparatory course. So you go to it and then you add the languages you know. Okay, let's open it. So this is it. The format of education you want, it should be in person, educational level. Okay, if you are going for a master's, you enter master's degree. If you are going for a bachelor's degree, you enter undergraduate degree. So that is it. And then field of study. You choose the field of study you want to pursue in Russia. So this one takes time to load. You just have to be patient and wait for it to load. And then you choose the particular field you want to study. After that, you proceed to the next level, which is to choose universities. And then you read the instructions here. Select 6 universities according to your order of preference. The university in the first place should be your first choice, and the university in the 6th place should be your last choice. This order will be taken into consideration when application is being processed. So you follow this instruction. You enter the first university. So after entering the course, a list of universities will appear here. So you choose the first university. I will advise you to go online and then you search about Russian universities, especially the ones that will be offering a particular course you are looking for in English. So you search about the university before you come and choose it here. You choose the particular course and the particular university here, so that at least you have the information before applying. So you enter the 6 universities here, and after that you go to this next level. You have to enter language proficiency. So the first language you have to enter is Russian. Your language proficiency should be no experience. With this no experience, this means you don't understand anything in Russian. So with this no experience, you would like to attend a preparatory Russian course. So this is compulsory for those that are applying for this scholarship, especially from Cameroon. I don't know about other nationalities. So you have to click here to approve that you will take the preparatory course. And then after that, you just go through and you read all the information. I don't want this video to be too long. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and like the video. So that is it. You just go through and make sure you fill in all the information that is required. This is just additional information that may add more value to your application and make it stronger. So after filling all this information, you make sure you click on save. Save is below, or you click on next and it will automatically save and move to the next stage. And after that, you click on documents. So here you have to upload some documents. There are some you have to print and there are some you have to upload. So consent to personal data processing. Make sure that before you move to this stage, you have already filled in all the information correctly from the previous stages, because the information you entered in the previous stage will be used in this stage. So you make sure you fill in all the information correctly before moving to this stage, and then you click on this seal of consent. You click on it and you download the form, you fill it correctly, and you sign. After signing, you scan the document. You can use your phone and scan the document. You scan the document and then you upload it here. You just click on select a file and you upload the file from your phone or your laptop or your computer. Then after that, you go to the next stage, which is required documents for selection stage 1. So this is just this first stage of the scholarship application process. Okay, so here you have to upload a picture of your passport. These documents should be in PDF format. So you upload a picture, a copy of your passport here. That's your national passport. You upload it here. In the next stage, you have to upload your educational degree. If you already have your degree, that's if you have graduated, you upload your degree here. If you have a provisional degree, you can upload. And if you have not graduated, you can upload your transcript. So this is the information. You must upload a document indicating your highest level of education. If you have not yet received your academic certificate, please upload your report card, progress report, or academic transcript. So you do that here. That's done for the first stage. And then you upload that information here. So for the first stage, that's the information that's needed. In the next stage, that's if you have been selected for the next stage, you have to upload this other information, document indicating the result of the screening test,